What's the meaning of adjunct? Adjunct. 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 The term adjunct can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is being used. Generally, an adjunct refers to something that is added or joined to another thing but is not an essential part of it. For example, in grammar, an adjunct may refer to an adverbial phrase that provides additional information about the verb in a sentence. In academia, an adjunct professor is someone who teaches part-time and is not on the tenure track. In summary, an adjunct is an additional or secondary element that is added to something else, but is not considered essential to its core function or purpose.